got one of those flipper hole carts.
Yeah, I got one too.
But,
I got one, like I said, I just got that truck.
Uh-huh.
So I said I was going to start putting it on the truck and leaving the trailer. Because I think it's a lot easier. Seems like it is.
Oh, being on the truck?
Being on the truck, you know, you just drop the truck down there and slide it off in the water, and then you go on, you ain't got to worry about the trailer and stuff.
Yeah, it's a lot more comfortable going down the road, too.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about what's going on with that trailer, baby.
Yeah.
You make those wheels?
No, that's the wilderness. This is a different cart.
Okay.
I'm trying not to flip it. I think it's good. I'm gonna bag up now.
Okay. Now I remember a long time ago, this big old tree laying down on the other side of that pipe right there. They in about, say about 5, no more than 5 feet of water.
Okay, we're fishing about, I want to say about 6 feet from the bank and about 4 feet of water. And there's a bunch of laydowns right here. And basically this is where the fish should be this time of year. And what I'm doing is, basically what we're doing is we're just dropping our jigs just when you can't see it anymore. So it just depends on how clear the water is, but you want to drop that jig just where you can't see it anymore, and then wait on that hit.
Oh yeah. Oh, a nice one. Yeah. That's where they're supposed to be. In that brush right there. Well, you're working out, you're right.
Yeah, I bought me some gloves.
I was gonna throw him back.
You ever try tying any?
No, I thought about it. I thought about it, and I was thinking, man, I seen one guy, he talked about how long it took him to tie one. I was like, well, sheesh. I mean,
I
it's,
got a kid, I do it sometimes.
Huh?
I do them every once in a while.
yeah. I mean, it's probably a good pleasure of getting out of tying one and then coming out and catch fish
Catch
with.
a fish on it?
Yeah, I could see the enjoyment of it. But I don't know. People that do it do such a good job. These guys that sell them, that time and do them themselves, those they do such a good job of it. I was like, I would just buy one. I just want to be off when the fish are biting.
That's what I was trying to tell Carlton to take off on Monday.
Huh?
I was telling Carlton to take off on Monday. There'll be less people on the water.
Yeah.
We both got stuff to learn. Ain't no bank in the water.
Oh, he said he was gonna. Oh yeah. That's oh, if I get him in the boat. Man, he just tapped that thing. Somebody threw some brush in the water over here. I'm gonna go by and see what it looks like. Oh, he's driving like he got sense. Somebody catfishing this one, I think. It's a limbo.
So I think this fish.
One fish on it. One
I
fish.
saw one just to the left of it. So I think this fish finder,
Uh-huh.
like before I even get to the structure,
Right.
you can read it if I'm like 3 feet out.